This is something Python allows, but languages like Java and C++ do not. Look at this code. We create a variable and give it the value 5. So far, completely normal. Now watch this. We take the same variable and change it to a string, hello. And Python is totally fine with this. Wait, what? How can a number suddenly become text? In many programming languages, this would cause an error because variables are supposed to have a fixed type. But Python does something different. Python uses dynamic typing. That means a variable is not locked to one type. It can change from a number to text to anything else. So Python is not confused. It simply allows more flexibility. Some developers love this because it makes coding faster. Others hate it because it can hide bugs. Now I want to know, do you prefer this behavior? Or do you think variables should stay fixed? Write your answer in the comments.